Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Aura channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to turn off the all notification for the messenger and for your Android. And for that I wanna ask you guys, how are you? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. The first one is you want to turn off all of the notification. You can go to the messenger and don't forget to get the latest version of this messenger. Tap on for the messenger. For the next step, you can tap for the symbol or the photos in the upper of the left corner. And please tap on for the slide way until you find about the notification and sounds. Tap on. Okay, how to make the all of the notification is turned off for you. You can just tap on the on here. Tap on until it has the gray color. Tap on. Okay, there is have so many options for you notification. As for 5 minutes, the second one is for 1 hour, the third one is for 8 hours, and fourth one about the 24 hours, and for the last but not least about the until alarm at 4 a.m. I think I want to mute all of the notification for the 24 hours. So tap on for the OK, and now the all of notification and show is turn off for you. It's very simple way to do it, I think. Okay, I think it's enough to how to turn off the notification for all and especially for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Have a nice day and goodbye.